Today we're going to install a new thermostat on this 2015 BMW 328i. Just made a video of how to remove the old one. This will be the video of how to do the replacement. Alright, first thing we're going to do is grab the two bolts that we use to remove that from its location. Right down there. We're going to insert one bolt. And we're going to use a torch 30. Here I have it here. T30. And we're going to secure that into place. Just bring it in, hold on to that bolt, and try to line it up, and then thread it on. Alright, just leave it a little loose because we still got the other bolt we have to put into place. And then same procedure, just press this down and use your tool to help you out. I like to just sit it up on top and just try my best to get it in there. Just adjust the housing so you get that bolt in there, and just take your time. Alright, then secure both of them down. There's one, and here is the upper one. Alright, now we'll connect this bottom hose first. That will slip right into there. We'll bring this clamp up and we'll tighten that one down with a flathead. But before we do that, let's just connect all of the other hoses. That one goes there. Then this one here will go right in here. Just work that one all the way down. It's a little toughy. Just walk it down all the way. Alright, and you'll hear it clip into place. Then we'll bring that down. Alright. So, we should be able to remove all of these rags from here to protect it from the coolant. Make sure you grab all the rags out of there. Okay, we have two sensors here we have to plug in. First, it will be the thermostat sensor, and then we'll plug that right down here. And the one for the thermostat had this little lock right there, so this is the one for the thermostat, and this upper one is for the induction piping, I believe. So this one will go down here and plug right into here. Nice tight little spot. Clip into place and secure it down. Alright, so that's secured. Let's secure this down with some pliers, and we'll move this back into place just like so. And we have the clamp secure right here. Alright, and secure this clamp down using the flathead. Perfect. That's secured, that's secured, that's secured. Let's put our induction piping back into place. And we'll start with this one. This one will go right in there. This has a little line that has to meet up with this here. Slide that into place. Then there's a bracket that goes right here onto the hose. Clamp down first and work this sucker into place. Alright, and press this in until it clips. Just like so. Use the flathead to secure it. Alright, now we'll grab this other piece. This one will go right up here. It just clip on. There it goes. This one will go down here. Same process here. Just clip it into place. There it goes. And then we'll connect our pigtail there. Sweet. That's secure. That's secured. Now we just have to connect our upper ducting. Alright, now we'll just set this upper piece right in here. That will line up with this here. So we'll bring that sucker in, line everything up, Make sure it goes inside this hose down at the bottom. Alright, tie this down with a flathead. Connect the pigtail for the mass airflow sensor. Make sure all these are pressed in. And we are set. Next we gotta do is just bleed the system. What we're gonna do is add coolant. We'll start the vehicle up, let it heat up, let it cool down, add more coolant, then we'll repeat the process. We can also open up this bleeder valve that's right down there. So let's fill this sucker up with coolant, start it up, and start bleeding it. Let me see, and I think you could actually make the water pump run. You press this on so everything turns on. You put your heater onto max. You put it on the first fan while everything's still being off. You hit the gas, and I think it should start squirting out there. Yeah, and it's getting all the air out of the system. You can see the coolant going down. So we'll add some more coolant. See it there going through the line. Sweet. Then we'll start her up, and we'll do that process how I said. That's the OG way. But I think there's like a bypass, so you could do it on these BMWs. Pretty sick, actually. We'll start up the car. And I'll come in here and I'll do it again. And I'll hold the gas down for like 12 seconds. And you can see the coolant traveling through there. Sweet. And there it goes, splitting itself out. Alright, and I went inside and I stepped on the gas pedal for another 12 seconds. Came out here, still doing its process here. We'll let it do its thing. And then after this one, we'll start it up. You can hear the air bubbles right there. You can actually see them. Sweet. Alright, pretty much stopped already. Fire it up. Let's hear that cold start. Sometimes it pops. Alright, it's about to leak. Close this off. Alright, and that's basically it. All you have to do is just make sure you keep an eye on the temperature for a couple of days. What I like to do is just to ensure everything is good is I'll drive it, park it, I'll open it up before I start it up, add some more coolant to the reservoir, drive it, park it. Before I turn it on, I'll check the reservoir again, top it back off. That way you get all of the air out of the system, because the air system or the air bubbles is going to try to come up to the highest point, which is where your reservoir is at. So it's always going to be bottlenecking there. Fill it up, go on your business, and you should have no more issues. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.